Hey guys, I hope you're all home and are staying safe. I wanted to do a little tutorial on this new collection that we have just launched. It is a DIY collection that is going to be a part of our diamonds collection. It is essentially charms that can be added to any chain that we currently sell on our site. We have added a bunch of new chains on our site in the past few months, and so we wanted to make it really seamless for you to add these charms on any of the chains that you already own or any chains that you want to buy now. The reason that we've done this now is so that you can add these charms and feel like you are customizing your own piece or designing your own piece, and just basically personalize it to your own liking, and then basically show it off to us on your Instagram, share it to us. We'd be so excited to feature it and show it on our Instagram as well. We also wanted to do this specifically right now because it is the awesome time to gift this to your mothers, your grandmothers, yourselves, or even your sisters, because Mother's Day is around the corner, and so we wanted you guys to be able to gift this to them right at this time so that you can lift their spirits as well. So I will be showing you guys a little sneak peek, and I'll show you guys how to add these charms to your chains and give you guys a little bit of a tutorial on how you guys can change it up, how you can add them to the chains. So stay tuned. So before I start putting the charms on, I want to show you that the lengths of the chains are a little different. Some are long and some are short, and the thicknesses are also different. I'm going to start with this chain since it's the thinnest, and then I'm going to go bigger as I go, just because when you stack, it's prettier to go small and then go bigger as you go longer. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys these. Okay. So I took everything off so that we can start from scratch, and I'm going to take this thinnest one. It's a new chain that we got with a small little clasp in the front. It's not on the site yet, but it will be on shortly. So when it is, I will link it below. On this chain, I'm going to be putting this small little A charm. So let's see how it looks. So here's the first necklace, and I just put the initial A because it is the first necklace that I'm going to be layering with the rest of the stack. I love how it's so small and dainty, and let's see what I'm going to be stacking it with. For the second necklace, I'm going to be using the 17-inch chain. I think I'm going to be putting 2 or 3 charms on this one, so let's see. So I went with these 2 charms. Can you see it? Yeah. So the lightning bolt and the diamond star. I think they're so cute together and match perfectly with the diamond A right above it. So I'm gonna put it on now at a slightly longer length to see how it matches together. So here it is on. I think it's so cool and it pairs so well together. I think I'm going to change it up with the charms that I picked for the third necklace, just to add a little funk to it and spice it up a little. So let's see. So for the last necklace, I am going to be using the thicker paper clip, which many of you are very familiar with since we've had this on the site for quite some time already. I think I'll be using just 1 or 2 to stack with this, but I think I will change it up a bit with 1 or 2 really cool clickers. Okay guys, so look, here's what I did. Basically, I added 1 clicker here, and then 2 round clickers, and then the jumbo heart. Here's the final look.